Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the time format on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GLORYFIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the GLORYFIT application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, find the option called Universal Settings and tap on it. And here, find the option called Time System. Select it, and here we can select between 12-hour format and 24-hour format. Select the one you like by tapping on it, and after a second or two, the changes should be applied on your watch. And once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you change the time format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.